So this is a test of sodium percarbonate on vinyl fencing. You can see the fence has some significant algae and mildew. And what we're going to do is we used 6 ounces per gallon. And of course, we only have a quart here, so we kind of diluted it appropriately. And why we're using percarbonate here instead of SH is to A, see how well it performs, and B, we're working around a ton of flowers, summer sensitive, and I didn't feel like taking a chance with SH. Yes, I know I could have watered it down heavily, but I'm most curious to see how percarbonate does. There's no doubt it'll clean it. You kind of see it working already. See that? Got one more panel next to it. These panels don't look really dirty until you actually start putting the solution on it. This is a rather light mixture of percarbonate too. Could obviously go heavier. This is not a heavy solution at all, meaning I'm applying it super light. So probably could pump this up again, but I'm just gonna let it go. Kind of see it breaking down already. You can see where it's dripping. Again, this is a very safe alternative to someone that is thinking about using bleach. So, these 2 panels here. What I do believe is it's going to need a higher PSI to rinse it. So, might be able to get away with the garden hose here. That's all I have out, actually. We'll go grab the hose and we'll rinse. So all I'm doing here is using the jet on a garden hose. We're going to go ahead and rinse and see the result. Now keep in mind, this is only probably a less than 5-minute dwell time, which is not much. See, it's coming off just with a little bit of garden hose. there's nothing here, but you can kind of see this panel's not nearly as bad, but I didn't apply anything here. Yeah, it's not coming off. With high pressure, it would. But you can see how that did nothing. So that panel came out really nice for non-bleach solution. I'll just go overhead and knock this one out. So this is the second panel we did. Now this one I did super light. I didn't repump up the pumper. You can see how it kind of left some of it behind. See that? Again, I probably didn't use enough. There was a lot of options here. I could have used a higher mix strength, longer dwell time. Now, what we're going to do next is we're just going to, I think I have a little bit left here, not much. Just going to pump it up, and I'm just going to spray a third panel and do nothing. It's called the this panel's really not that bad, but it's called the walkaway. So I'm actually going to spray it and then just leave it. Come back later and see what it looks like. I'm almost out. Obviously, this is going to look the worst because I'm not going to rinse it. But this panel is really not bad. Almost out of solution. I could hear it starting to hiss. It's blowing more air out than anything. Alright, it's out. So I'm just curious, we'll come back to this one, but I'm gonna do nothing, just let it dry. Alright, so here's the sodium percarbonate dried and not rinsed. So you can kind of see the color did turn more of a brown, like dirt color. But you can see it didn't really get clean. So that's why you don't want to just spray and then not rinse. Again, here's the panel dried. That, yeah, I could have put a little more product on. You can kind of see some spots. Kind of see. Overall, you know, from a distance, the panel looks really good, but it's just because I didn't put enough product on. And then here's the panel where I put it on and then rinsed. It came out really nice. It's really nice spots. Panel came out really nice. Yeah, there you have it. So an alternative to bleach. Figured I'd show you this panel, the one that I sprayed and let it dry, and I'm just going to rinse it off. I'm trying to see. Dirt does come off. Although it doesn't look as nice. Kind of see it's actually not bad at all. So what you could do is apply it. If this was your own home, I wouldn't do this at a customer site, but if you were doing this at your own home and you didn't have time to rinse, just put it on and then let the rain rinse it off. Probably would be sufficient.